Hi, and welcome to the Salto for Jira course. In this course, we're going to learn all about how Salto can help you as a Jira administrator with the challenges you face, and to ultimately create a unified change management process to help you and your organization get the most out of Jira. A little bit about myself. My name is Scott Dixon, and I'm a customer engineer here at Salto. I'm based in New York. I help our customers onboard and implement Salto into their ongoing change management process for Jira, as well as other business applications. Here's a quick look at the curriculum for the course. It will be divided into 4 lessons and 2 quizzes. The first lesson will provide an overview of the 3 key challenges of managing a Jira instance with a follow-up quiz. And then, the following 3 lessons will dig into each of these 3 challenges. And then finally, we'll wrap up the course with a quiz to review everything we learned. So let's get started, and I'll see you in the next lesson.